Ever stared blankly at your QuickBooks Desktop screen, wondering if you're missing out on the latest features and crucial security updates? You're not alone. Keeping your QuickBooks Desktop software up to date is like giving your business's financial engine a regular tune-up. It ensures smooth operation, protects your valuable data, and unlocks powerful tools designed to streamline your accounting processes. Think about it. Software evolves rapidly. New security threats emerge, and developers constantly refine their programs to enhance user experience and add functionalities that can significantly boost your efficiency. Running an outdated version of QuickBooks Desktop is like driving a classic car without any modern safety features. It might look good, but it's potentially vulnerable and lacks the performance of newer models. Why is this so important for your business? Imagine spending hours meticulously entering financial data, only to have it compromised due to a security vulnerability that a software update could have patched. Or picture yourself struggling with a clunky workflow when a recent update introduced a feature that could automate that very task. These scenarios aren't just hypothetical. They represent real risks and missed opportunities for businesses that neglect software updates. The good news is that updating QuickBooks Desktop is generally a straightforward process. Intuit, the software's developer, regularly releases updates that include bug fixes, security enhancements, and new features. These updates are designed to be easy to install, ensuring minimal disruption to your workflow. So, how exactly do you ensure your QuickBooks Desktop is running the latest and greatest version? Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First and foremost, before you even think about clicking any buttons, it's absolutely crucial to back up your company file. This is your safety net. In the unlikely event that something goes wrong during the update process, having a recent backup ensures that your financial data remains safe and recoverable. To do this, open your QuickBooks Desktop, go to the File menu, hover over Backup Company, and select Create Local Backup. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose a location to save your backup file, preferably an external hard drive or a secure cloud storage service. Once your backup is safely stored, you have a couple of ways to check for and install updates. Method 1. Automatic updates. Recommended. This is often the easiest and most convenient method. QuickBooks Desktop is typically configured to automatically check for updates in the background. When an update is available, you'll usually see a notification pop up on your screen, prompting you to install it. If you haven't seen any recent notifications, you can manually check your automatic update settings to ensure they are configured correctly. To do this, go to the Help menu in QuickBooks Desktop. Select Update QuickBooks Desktop. In the Update QuickBooks window, click on the Update Now tab. This will initiate an immediate check for any available updates. If updates are found, select the ones you want to install and click Get Updates. Once the download is complete, you'll likely be prompted to close QuickBooks Desktop to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. To manage your automatic update preferences, in the Update QuickBooks window, click on the Options tab. Here, you can choose your preferred update schedule. Automatic updates will download and install updates when QuickBooks is closed. Scheduled updates allows you to set a specific time for updates to occur. Manual updates gives you complete control, requiring you to manually check for and install updates. For most users, automatic updates or scheduled updates are the most convenient options to ensure you don't miss critical updates. Method 2. Manual updates. If you prefer to have more control over when updates are installed, or if you're experiencing issues with automatic updates, you can manually download and install them. Here's how. Go to the Help menu in QuickBooks Desktop. Select Update QuickBooks Desktop. In the Update QuickBooks window, click on the Update Now tab. Instead of clicking Get Updates, look for a link or button that says something like Download Only or directs you to the Intuit QuickBooks support website for manual updates. The exact wording may vary depending on your QuickBooks version. Clicking this link will typically open your web browser and take you to the Intuit support page where you can find the latest updates available for your specific version of QuickBooks Desktop, e.g., QuickBooks Desktop Pro, Premier, Accountant. Download the update file. Make sure you download the correct update for your version and year of QuickBooks. Once the download is complete, Close QuickBooks Desktop. Locate the downloaded update file. It will usually be an executable file with a .exe extension, and double-click it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to install the update. Important considerations during the update process. Internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection throughout the download and installation process. Interruptions can lead to incomplete updates and potential issues. Administrator permissions. You'll likely need administrator privileges on your computer to install software updates. If you're not the administrator, you may need to contact your IT support for assistance. Time. The update process can take some time, depending on the size of the update and your internet speed. Avoid interrupting the process. Restart your computer. After the update is complete, it's generally a good idea to restart your computer to ensure all the changes are properly applied. Verifying the update. Once the update is installed and your computer has restarted, open QuickBooks Desktop. To verify that the update was successful, go to the Help menu. Select About QuickBooks. In the About QuickBooks window, you'll see the version and release number of your QuickBooks Desktop software. Compare this with the latest release information available on the Intuit QuickBooks support website to confirm you have the most recent version. Keeping your QuickBooks Desktop updated is an investment in the stability, security, and efficiency of your business's financial management. By following these simple steps, you can ensure you're always running the latest version and taking advantage of all the benefits it offers. Don't wait for problems to arise. Make regular QuickBooks Desktop updates a part of your routine maintenance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.